everyone, it is Susie, and I hope everybody is doing well. Hope you're having a great day. I got the subscription box from Your Creative Studio, so I'm really excited about that. I've actually had this a couple of days. I have opened it, but I have not looked inside. I do not know what is in there, but I am excited to find out. Let's see. Yeah. So before I get into the box, Sharon has made some more face masks. She has made some in the kids size here. Here's like a little Paw Patrol, and they have kind of adjustable. They're elastic, but they're actually adjustable. So you could probably, these would probably be anywhere from 2 years old, 3 years old to 5 years old, maybe even 6. Here's some little Mickey Mouse, and I have these in the preteen and teen size as well. And I have some adult masks in the Mickey Mouse as well. Here is kind of the back side. They all do have a little place for a filter to go in if you wanted to put a filter in your mask. And they do have the wire to go around the bridge of your nose. This is a cute, and I'm sure she is some character, I just don't know what. But anyway, a little kitty there, and then some dinosaur. So, and these are the 2 to 6, and so is this, and I do have 6 to 10 years old in this as well. So they're all in the shop, and I also have some new adult ones. Besides having this Mickey Mouse print here, I have Rosie the Riveter, I believe, and I can't remember if there was another one, but anyway, Rosie the Riveter and the Mickey Mouse are the adults. So anyway, check the shop if you're looking for a new face mask or for the kids, and because I have them. And of course I do have everything categoried out, so you could just go straight to face mask instead of having to search the shop. So anyway, so let's get into the Your Creative Studio box. I can't wait to see this. I'm always so excited to open one of these. It's just fun. And the last few have just been a fantastic box. Okay, so she always has a thank you card in there. Music. Oh, it's got the definition of music, so I am guessing that this is a music themed box. All right, well, let's see what is in here. Okay. Oh, I love opening these up. I can tell already. This is really, really cute. I'm trying to, I think this is adhesive. You know, the B one was adhesive papers. It feels like it. I believe it is, because it does feel like paper that's adhesive. That is really pretty. Whoops. Let's tuck this down in there. Yeah. So this is pretty. It has like an old organ. And here's another one. Now this is really pretty and dark. Oh, look at this. This is gorgeous. Oops, I better get in frame. Look how pretty that paper is. Okay. And then there is another one. Gorgeous. And another one. These are awesome. Okay, guys, I have a feeling this is going to be a really good box. This here looks like a little material of notes. Okay, let's open it up and see. Oh, how cute. Oh, this would be great at Christmas time. There's God Rest Ye Merry Gentlemen. That's awesome. Okay, and that's cute. Some kind of kids. Yeah, this would be great collaging too, guys. This is, I love these. There's another one. Yeah, those would be great for Christmas. Okay, the God rest you, merry gentlemen. That will be awesome because there was two of them. There was that one, and that's what this one was as well. Just a different. How cute. Okay. So I like that. That's awesome. Some more of that little fine washi tape. I believe that has numbers on it. Yeah, that has little numbers on it. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. There's 3, 4. Now that's cute. Oh, I guess I could show you right there. Okay, that's cute. And then here are the little leaf stamps again. Oh, no, this isn't leaf stamps. This is a little book, and they're kind of like a vellum paper in that. Yeah, kind of like a vellum paper. That's cute. A little book. I just thought it was the leaf, like the little leaf postage stamps. And then here's like a little sticky note light bulb. I forget what they call these. The Edison bulb or something. You can buy those, and I can't remember. I think it's like an Edison bulb they call it. So that's cute. Let's see what's in this. Oh, that's really nice. These are washi stickers, or washi sheets. You peel it off. Oh, these, I love these. These are great for collaging. Really great for collaging. Yeah, that's cute. I love this sheet right here. I love that sheet. So, really good box. I think Amanda gets better and better with her boxes. I said that last time, and I do mean that. Oh, here's some really pretty stamps, music stamps. Piano keys. I believe this guy is playing a trumpet or something there. My light's glaring, I can't see. I'm doing this at night, so I can't see as well with that light kind of glaring. To keep the shadow, I have to kind of raise the lights. Well, I'm not real sure what this one here is. I know I can see a trumpet there, but this is a little man playing a trumpet, and of course the music keys and the... That's cute. Oh, and I even like the little, there's like a little music and music notes. Was that a staff? They call it. I'm not musically inclined, so I think they call that a staff. And then here are the little stickers. Those are cute. Oh, this is cute. Medieval collection of books. It's cute how that twine is around there. Oh, they're book pages. Oh, now that is sweet. They're Silent Night. Another Christmas one. That is cute. There's the Christmas tree. Now these are nice. Yeah. There's quite a few of them too. There's Joy to the World. Oh, how fun. Even these are kind of fun. You could do something with those. That's a nice cardstock. That's really cute. That was packaged cute too. Alright. What is this? Huh. Let's see here how to... That should open. Let's see. I'm not feeling the opening anywhere. There we go. I'm not sure what this is. I can't tell. So we're just going to... They're some kind of stickers, because that's a peel-off back. Oh, they're like little coupons. Wow, that's cute. Yeah, they're like little coupons. Like wine, and I think those are wine barrels. That's cute. And purple. Kind of like a plum purple. That's cute. And then here's a little charm, a knife charm. Oh, that would be great in a man's journal. I think that's what that's supposed to be. Yeah. Oh, how cute. It's a little charm. Yeah, that's really cute. There's the little eye. Yeah, that would be really cute in a man's journal. So that is the subscription box. You will probably see me not too long be using these, because that is awesome. The book pages are. And all of that washi, that is adorable. So anyway, guys, this is I believe this is the August subscription box. So it's just, I just love these boxes. I absolutely love them. And I love this paper here. This is adorable. Absolutely adorable. And like I said, it does feel like sticker paper. It just does. It's just got that feel to it. I don't know if I can get that. Yep, there it goes. Yeah, it's sticker paper. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so guys, be watching. I will make something with some of these contents that are in here. That is just too cute. I love the boxes. Thank you, Amanda. I appreciate you sending these. And like I said, let's see what I could make in, you know, a week or so down the road. We'll see what I can get together with that. So everybody have a great day, and I will catch you in the next video.